Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable login password and lock screen on Windows 11 computer. Click on Start menu. In search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, click on Run as administrator, click on Yes. In command prompt, you will type a command to edit a registry key settings. I will provide this command in description so that you can copy and use this command. I'm just copying the command, paste here. Now hit enter. The operation completed successfully. I have just changed the registry key. The key is device passwordless build version. Close command prompt. Now again click on Start menu. In search, type netplwij. Right click on netplwig and click on Run as administrator. You will find here a option that is user must enter username and password to use this computer. Just uncheck it and click on apply, type password, click on OK, click on OK. You need to restart your computer, click on start menu, then click on power, click on restart. The computer is restarting now. My computer is logging in without username and password, and lock screen is not showing here right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.